A warm welcome to all of you. I'm your Nicholas Tarfik. How are you? Let me tell you, this is a series of 1200 question of GS, General Science. So we will cover top 20 question of physics, and now in this video we will cover next 25 question of chemistry. So let's take one step towards next exam and let's begin. Look at question number 1. Barium sulfate is less soluble in water due to A. High inflammable energy, B. Low energy of dissociation, C. Low inflammable energy, and D. Ionic band. So its right answer is option A, high inflammable energy. Move on, question number 2. What is the name of that system which uses radioactivity to decide the period of materials pre-Stone's period? A. Radium dating, B. Uranium dating, C. Carbon dating, and D. Deuterium dating. So its right answer is carbon dating. Go next question. Cement is made hard with dehydration, hydration, and dissociation of water. C. Dissociation of water, and D. Polymerization. So its right answer is option B, hydration and dissociation of water. Go next question. Question number 4. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? A. Energy is always absorbed, B. Energy is always released, C. More energy is released than is absorbed, D. Energy is neither released nor absorbed. So its right answer is energy is absorbed. Move on, next question. Which among the following are carbohydrate? A. Nylon, B. Cane sugar, and C. Turpentine, and D. Hydrogen peroxide. So its right answer is cane sugar. Move on, next question. In which of the following states maximum iron ore is found? FeCO3, Fe2CO3, Fe3O4, and FeS2. So its right answer is Fe2O3. Move on, next question. Question number 7. Which one of the following metal pollutes the air of city having large number of automobiles? Cadmium, chromium, lead, copper. Its right answer is lead. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Its option is sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium nitrate, or sodium nitrate. So its right answer is sodium bicarbonate. Option B. More next question. An atomic pile is used for producing X-rays, conducting nuclear fission, and C. conducting thermonuclear fusion, and D. accelerating atoms. So its right answer is an atomic pile is used for B. conducting nuclear fission. Question number 10. Which of the following gases is present under pressure in soft drinks? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and nitrous oxide. So its right answer is carbon dioxide. Option C. Move on, next question. Question 11. The substance which does not depend on going from liquid state to solid state. H. A. Water, B. Castoiano, C. Aluminium, and D. Type metal. So its right answer is option D, type metal. Move on, next question. Heart peacemakers H. Uranium, deuterium, plutonium, and radium. So its right answer is uranium. Move on, next question. The elements which is commonly used in nuclear for producing electricity by nuclear fission. H. It's radium, plutonium, C. uranium, and D. deuterium. So its right answer is uranium. Move on, next question. Table salt gets moist during rainy season because A. Sodium chloride is hygroscopic, sodium chloride is deliquescent, and C. Sodium chloride contains some quantity of sodium iodide, and D. Sodium chloride contains hygroscopic impurities like magnesium chloride. So its right answer is option D. Sodium chloride contains hygroscopic impurities like magnesium chlorides. That's the reason table salt gets moist during rainy season. Question number 15. Which of the following is used as lubricant in heavy machines? Bauxite, sulfur, phosphorus and graphite. So its right answer is graphite. Move on next question. The anode in a dry cell consists of A. Copper, B. Zinc, C. Cadmium and D. Graphite. So its right answer is B. Zinc. Move on next question. Right answer is B. Zinc. Next question. Which of the following is used to iodine common salt? It's option A. Potassium iodide, B. Iodine, potassium iodide and D. Sodium iodide. So you know the answer, option A or option C, because they are same, and its right answer is potassium iodide and potassium iodide. So you can say A or C. Next question. Milk is a colloidal system in which water is dispersed in fat, fat is dispersed in water, fat and water are dispersed in each other, and D. Fat is dissolved. So its right answer is fat is dispersed in water, then makes milk is colloidal system. Move on next question. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol is invertase, maltase, zymase and diastase. So its right answer is zymase. Next question. Question number 20. Silk fiber chemically is A. Carbohydrate, B. Fat, C. Protein and D. Cellulose. So its right answer is C. Option C. Protein. Silk fiber chemically is protein. Next question. Who developed hydrogen bomb? A. Werner von Braun, B. J. Robert Oppenheimer, C. Edward Teller and D. Samuel Cohen. So its right answer is C. Edward Teller developed hydrogen bomb. Move on next question. When there are two electrons in the same orbital, they have same spin, opposite spin, same or opposite spin and D. no spin. So its right answer is opposite spin. When two electrons are in the same orbital, they have opposite spin. Galvanization is the A. deposition of zinc on iron, B. deposition of tin on iron and C. deposition of copper on iron and D. deposition of aluminium on iron. Its right answer is option A. deposition of zinc on iron. Move next question. Question number 24. Fermentation of milk to curd is due to option 1. Mycobacterium, option B. Staphylococcus and C. Lactobacillus and D. yeast. So its right answer is option C. Lactobacillus. So fermentation of milk to curd is lactobacillus. And 25. By which organic compound all the oils are known? Carbohydrate, B. protein, C. hydrocarbon and D. ester. So its right answer is option C. hydrocarbon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe and also like to my channel. Thanks for watching.